I may or may not look like a cow in this video, so we shall see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to try something different, different angle. We are just gonna go with it, okay? Today I'm doing monthly favorites of July. It's August. Well, it's actually the 31st. Food related, home related, beauty and fashion and music and all that good stuff. So you already know. Let me see, how am I gonna sit? This is just awkward. So if you're wondering what is on my lip, that color is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Morocco. And I lined it with NYX Lip Liner in Orange County. This is like lighter than this, but moving on. Let's talk, what do we want to talk about first? Okay. My NutriBullet Pro. So obviously it's inside and I use it in the morning, but this is what it This is what it looks like. It's kind of massive. I know they have a smaller one, but when I went to buy it, they didn't have that size, so I got this one. This was $79.99. They have one that's cheaper. My best friend just got hers, and hers came out to like $49 or something like that, and she had a coupon. Anyway, I'm obsessed. I love this. I make my smoothies. I do my bulletproof coffee with it. I love it. I have a Ninja blender, which obviously works good, but it's just so big and like annoying to take apart and clean. So I was doing that every single morning and it was just annoying. So this is just like 1, 2, 3, push it down and it blends and it just works great. But the NutriBullet, the regular one, is really good, I know, and the Magic Bullet is crap. Don't get the Magic Bullet. If you use ice and a lot of frozen fruits and you want something that's going to last longer, that's more powerful, then the NutriBullet Pro would be your best bet. Okay. So what else? Okay, so to go with that, this is my protein powder that I use every morning and it's delicious. This is by it's plant-based, it's Vega, vanilla flavored, and it's spinach and kale, no gluten-free, vegan, no added sugar, no artificial colors, preservatives or anything like that, and it's very delicious. I honestly don't even use a full scoop because it's very powerful, and even though there's no sugar, it tastes very sweet, so I usually do like half a scoop, but I like to add this to my mix every morning to get that protein, you know? Ugh. To go along with that, my Bulletproof, which I don't know if that's gonna go up before this, probably will, so it's already up. So then you know if you watch that, this is the Bulletproof Brain Octane Oil, and I have been loving this. I honestly see such a difference in my energy levels. I know it's the combination of everything for Bulletproof coffee, but I think this does give me a sustained energy and less fogginess in my head, in the brain. So yeah, if you're not into doing like the Bulletproof coffee, sorry, my feet are in your face. My foot is in your face. It's not cute. So if you don't think you'd be into Bulletproof coffee and you do want something that's going to help you have more of a sustained energy throughout the day and that you have clarity in your brain, this would be good for you. You can put it on salads, you can put it into smoothies, and obviously your Bulletproof coffee, and I'm really liking it. It's a little pricey. Actually, it was on sale. Was it on sale? It was $17 for this. Next thing that's kind of related to that is this mug, which you probably saw in that video as well. Ooh. You guys know that I love mugs. I have a thing with mugs, and for whatever reason, this one is from IKEA, and I just like the way my morning coffee looks in this. Particularly the Bulletproof coffee. I don't know. It looks like a nice little latte. I'm a weirdo. I know. This was, I think, like $3.99, $4.99 at IKEA. I don't know if I ever mentioned this in like a recent favorites, but I know a while ago I did, and it's so stupid. But remember when I talked about this Mentos gum? It's damn good. But what's even better is this one. The spearmint. It is so good. So freaking good. Like, should I have it right now? I'll be chewing. I'll go for it. Literally every single person I've ever given this to, they're like, you have gum, you have gum, you have mint gum. It's like, what is that? They love it and they'll use it now. So just saying, give it a try. It's annoying that they're so big, but they come in smaller ones too. It's good. Thank me later. Why am I such a pig? I don't want to, I don't know what to do with my body. So awkward. You guys are like, are you guys uncomfortable like watching me on this angle? Like, I feel like an idiot. Okay, another random, so random. These. I know. I don't know why it's so hard to find a good air freshener. Like at Walmart, Target, even in like, maybe there are good ones in the car stores, car part stores. But I just feel like they don't have a good selection. And the ones that are okay, I've had before in the past, and like, I don't know, I'm over them. Anyway, this one is called Daisy Fields, and it doesn't even smell like daisies. I don't know what it is. It smells just so pretty. Like, I love it. And it's not like an overpowering like sweet or floral. Like, it's just so nice in your car. I love it. This is like my 5th pack. Sell them. Just saying. They sell them at Target. Next thing, which also is smell goods, is these candles from Bath & Body Works. I feel like they've come out with a lot of much better selection. So these two I really like. Cactus Blossom. I did talk about this, didn't I? And This Weekend. It's so pretty. I remember when they had a lotion that was called this and they didn't have the candle. I'm like, well, they need to come out with a candle, and they did. Summer Mandarin, Sun-Kissed Magnolia, Blue Coconut Water. Okay. Then this I talked about in my summer makeup routine. This product by Drunk Elephant. It's basically like a sunshine serum. It's fortifying and bronzing. Guard and Glow. Debronze Anti-Pollution Sunscreen Serum. Sunshine Serum. It's not a sunscreen at all. There's no SPF in it. But basically, you add a pump of this to your sunscreen or your moisturizer. It gives you like the illusion of a tan. It's tinted basically like a nice glow to your face. It's also, it's filled with antioxidants, and what else is in it? You can add this to your legs, chest, and face, antioxidants, and omega fatty acids. I actually had a little bit of a breakout sesh on this side, and I'm not really sure if it's from this, because I've been using this for about a week now, and I'm not sure. I hope it's not. I really hope it's not, because I really like this product. Why am I putting it back in the box? I want to say hopefully it's like a hormonal or what I ate thing going on. I don't know. I'm hoping not, because I really do like this. Get a sample if you don't want to go out and buy it. And then lastly, I feel like they had, no, it's not lastly, pillow. Okay, these two shirts are from H&M, and it's very random, but like, if you watch my vlogs, you know. I've been wearing these like every day, especially black. So I don't know why, I just really love them. That the way they fit, it's really like if you have like a regular waist, high-waisted pants, it looks good, or like leggings. I don't know, I just really like the cut of it. It just makes you look thinner, and it's just comfortable. I don't wear it with a bra. I know they had lighter colors. I wouldn't be able to buy the lighter colors because I don't wear a bra with the shirt, and I just really like it. I'll show you some pictures of me wearing it. But these were very, very inexpensive from H&M. I think I want to say like $9.95 or something like that. Shout out to H&M. Is it happy? He's gonna want to ask me about food. Hey, babe.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing, just filming. What's going on?
Switched my shoes. I went to another field. I had my shoes size.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, did you look for a pair of jeans?
I did. I couldn't find anything. Uniqlo has them, but then I gotta get them sewn up. It takes 2 people. Okay, not one.
Oh.
But anyway, I'm going to this event in Roslyn. It's a political event.
Yeah.
Stop by there for a couple minutes, but I wanted to. Do these shoes? Do you like the shoes the white and brown, or should I put on the brown ones? Like it's like a barbecue. It's not anything crazy.
If you got the brown ones, I don't know. I think the brown look good.
Do you not like the white and brown?
They're alright.
Alright.
Why?
No, because I got like Uniqlo had a jacket on sale. Had a jacket on sale, like a white navy like boat jacket.
Yeah, but you already have so much navy stuff.
What?
You have so much navy colored things.
It's not navy. It's like jacket, sports jacket.
I don't know, but take a picture of it. I don't know, don't ask me. Do what you think looks good. I can't give you an answer.
Alright.
Alright, I love you.
Alright, that's it.
Ciao. He's so funny. Like, some people might think it's weird, I don't know, but I love that he loves shopping and clothes. I love that he loves fashion and clothes, and like, he's so funny. He always has to have my opinion, like no matter what he puts on, like even if I'm like, and then like I don't know, he's just so funny. Anyway, sorry, the next and the last thing, this has been on for a while, is my pillow. So, okay. Oh no, oh my gosh, I love my stuff that I got from IKEA. Damn, I don't know when this is gonna go up. You probably saw it. I don't know if the vlog's going up before this or after this. Regardless, you'll see it some one way or another. But I'm loving my IKEA bedding, the duvet, and like the pillowcases and stuff. I just am very happy with this stripe. It's very neutral and it's masculine, but then you can add feminine things to it. So I really, really love it. But this pillow, which I have to get the sorry, I'm chewing so loud. I'll be right back. Okay. We're good? We're good. Okay. So this is by Centerpedic. And I got it at H&M. What am I saying? I got it at Home Goods. So this is what the packaging looks like. It was $19.99 compared to $40, which isn't that bad for a memory foam pillow, I guess, or like a decent pillow. Okay, so here's the deal. I have had back pain and neck pain for so long, and to be honest, the bed that I have, the ghost bed, I am not a fan of at all. It's horrible. It's too firm for me. So I bought a memory foam topper, and it helped. It's like a temporary fix. It's very comfortable when you lay down, but it's still not 100% great, like my sleep, because of it. It's just a horrible mattress. You're never gonna ghost bed. So I'm like, all right, maybe I just have to get a new pillow, because I know I've heard, like, you know, my neck pain, my back, it's all connected. So anyway, I went out to look for one. Long story short, I got this pillow, and it's memory foam, but there's also a cooling gel overlay. So the thing with this is, like, I didn't want a really thick pillow. I like thin pillows. The one that I had was thinner, but it literally shapes to your body and your head. So long story short again, I slept amazing. Last night I had a little pain though. I don't know, I'm a server. I have back pain, neck pains. I'm just not good. Your bed is so important, and if you have back pain or anything, it might be your mattress, but it could be your pillow. So look into that. $19.99, and I'm so happy with it. So I'm actually like always excited to go to bed to just lay on it. And that is it for my favorites. And now let me go on to the good stuff, the music. I have to like her. Happy anniversary, Jennifer. Your name is oh my gosh, what's your YouTube name? Eat, Pray, Love? Eat, Pray, Live? Eat, Run, Eat, Lift? Our little unit, I don't know. Happy wedding anniversary. Aww. I'm gonna comment, but I don't wanna comment right away because I'm filming. Music. So going to my Spotify playlist, such a nice angle. My name is charlottefaraci 87 on here. And okay, when you go to browse. Oh wait, is it summer? Just kidding. Okay, so I've been going to summer. And then see more. I have been loving Surf Rock Sunshine. I also really love Yacht Rock. After the Moment by Craft Spell. Lisa Gallagher. And the way the sunlight plays upon her hair. Good Vibrations. So anyway, I'm not gonna like share every song, but I love that playlist. It's just very chill, very like driving in the sun on like a summer day, vibing out, you know, or on the beach. That's what it reminds me of. So I really love that station. Yacht Rock just has like fun rock from the 80s. So I love that too, but I've shared that with you guys. Now for a couple of my songs that I've been listening to this month. Some Madonna. Rocksteady by The Whispers. It never seemed to be the right time. Anyway, this one, Sam, you showed me while you were away. It's called At the Club by Shakis. And, alright, stop texting me, people. And Deflo.
In the middle of the day now, baby, I seem to think of only you.
Miguel. Little Miguel. So that was Waves remix. Ooh, love this song by Sabrina Claudio. I haven't heard one of her songs in a while, but this is featuring Khaled.
Do you feel me giving you? Don't let me down. Can I trust in you?
I don't know why it reminds me of like a vacation nighttime on the beach with fire pits and fire, what are they called? All around those, like those sticks. What are they called? Oh my god, it's really annoying. Tiki torches. Just like a vacation-y song, right? Alright, so I think that's, okay. Okay, sorry this is so long. Okay, so that's really all my favorites, and some extra random stuff. I love you guys. Hope this was enjoyable. And I will see you in my next video. Subscribe if you're not already, okay? And hit the notification bell. Ciao.